Ethereum just ripped 4.4% into resistance with an overbought RSI of 73.7. Is a reversal loading?
Good morning and welcome to Aurelian Wealth. The total crypto market is showing cautious green today, led by Ethereum's plus 4.4% surge, while Bitcoin trades at $65,170 with a 1.31 trillion market cap and firm dominance. Despite the price gains, sentiment remains defensive. The fear and greed index sits at 30, deep in the fear zone. It's a mixed tape, bullish momentum in ETH, but caution and elevated selling pressure lurking beneath the surface. Bitcoin is changing hands at $65,107, up 1.1% on the day and 2.0% over the week. The RSI 14 reads 56.3, neutral territory with plenty of room in either direction. But watch the MACD at plus 187.59 versus a signal line of plus 202.51. The histogram has flipped negative to minus 14.91, a bearish crossover signaling fading upside momentum. Key support holds at 63,740, while resistance caps the move at 66,956, with nearer-term rejection likely at 65,745. A prudent stop-loss zone sits just above 66 and 73 for short-side setups. Not financial advice, door. Ethereum is the star today at $1,963.83, up 4.4% in 24 hours and 5.5% on the week. But the rally is running hot. The RS-14 has spiked to 73.7, firmly overbought and a classic warning of exhaustion. The MACD remains marginally bullish at plus 19.54 over its 18.54 signal, a slim plus 1.0 histogram, but momentum is thinning. ETH is pinned right at resistance of $1,981, with support down at $1,148. A stop above $1,991 makes sense for fade traders. Not financial advice, DYOR. Among the remaining majors, Ethereum is clearly the day's biggest mover at plus 4.4%, dwarfing the rest of the top five. BNB posts a quiet plus 0.2% on the day and plus 1.2% over the week, holding at $573 with a 76.3 billion cap. The stablecoins Tether and USDC are flat as expected, both anchored at $1, with Tether at $183.9 billion and USDC at $72.5 billion in market cap. With stables holding firm, liquidity remains ready on the sidelines for the next directional break. Three names are lighting up the trending charts today: Casper Network, Lorenzo Protocol, and Pons. Casper is drawing attention around enterprise blockchain and staking narratives, while Lorenzo Protocol is riding the Bitcoin liquid staking and yield theme that's captivating DeFi traders. Pons rounds out the list on fresh community hype. As always with trending small caps, expect elevated volatility and thin liquidity. Position sizes should reflect that risk. On sentiment, the crypto fear and greed index reads 30 out of 100, squarely in the fear zone. That signals cautious investors and elevated selling pressure, which often precedes either capitulation or a contrarian bounce. On the whale front, it's notably quiet. No major BTC transfers above $1 million were tracked in the last 24 hours. That absence of large flows suggests big players are sitting tight, waiting for a clearer catalyst before committing size. For the next 24 to 48 hours, Bitcoin bulls need to defend $63,740 support and reclaim $65,745 to challenge $66,956. Ethereum's fate hinges on $1,981. A clean break opens upside, but rejection with that 73.7 RSI could snap price back toward 1,000 at 48. With the fear and greed index at 30, macro caution reigns. Keep an eye on the dollar and equities for risk cues. In this environment, tight risk management and disciplined stops are non-negotiable, not financial advice. Today's Bitcoin setup leans short. Direction, short with an entry at $65,170. A stop loss at $66,073.32, and a take profit target of $64,058.45, a risk reward of 1.1. The rationale? A neutral RSI at 56.3 gives no bullish conviction, while the MACD histogram has flipped negative to 1491, signaling a bearish crossover and stalling momentum near resistance. This is a tactical fade, not a trend trade. Keep that stop tight above 66,003, not financial advice, DYOR. Ethereum offers the more attractive risk-reward today on the short side. Direction, short, entry at $1,963.83, stop loss at $1,991.50, and take profit at $157.33, a compelling 1.39 risk-reward. The logic is textbook mean reversion. RSI at 73.7 is deeply overbought, and while the MACD histogram is barely positive at plus 0.99, momentum is fading fast right into $981 resistance. A rejection here could send ETH back toward $848 support. Not financial advice. If this breakdown helped sharpen your edge, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications for daily crypto recaps, technical analysis, and whale alerts from Aurelian Wealth.